Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today again I'm going to take up a conversational topic and I'm going to tell you how you can talk in frameworks. What is the best method you can just fit in your mind to talk about on any topic, whether it is a short conversation or a long conversation. The format will be the same, it's just that you have to put everything together in this format. Okay, so basically you should know what to talk about. What are the main important points you need to put forward? That is what the idea is, right? We can talk about one single thing in many ways, but we miss out the details, right? What the other person is looking at, and that is where our conversation fails. We are not able to connect with people because the other person wants to know something else and we are giving some other information. So that is a disconnect, and that is why we are not able to communicate well, and our communication skills are not that great. So in order to correct our communication skills, in order to be a good communicator, we should know what to talk about on any given topic, or how to talk about on any given topic, which I'm going to tell you in my sessions. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. And to share your ideas, thoughts in my comment section. What do you feel about my videos? What do you feel about any given topic? Or if there's anything in your mind which you want to share with us, start interacting, guys. This is a platform just for you. So start interacting. I remind you every single day, and I'll keep on reminding you this. And lastly, stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's get back to the topic. So during our conversations, one thing is very common we do talk about, whether it is a stranger or anybody else, our friends also, our relatives also, we talk about this topic. People do ask us this question: any new place you have visited, or what are your vacation plans, which is your favorite holiday destination, or any good vacation or holiday spot you can recommend. Okay, these are the questions which comes to us in different ways. I've spoken about it in different ways, right? So people ask this thing in different ways while having a conversation, right? If there is a weekend, people ask, what are your weekend plans? Are you going somewhere, visiting some place? Okay, so these are the questions, these are the type of questions which people ask to know about our plans, our vacation, our holiday. Okay, so this is a very basic question which is asked every time during conversations. Now I'm going to tell you how you can answer this question in an organized way and giving the right details. Okay, so the first thing you can talk about if somebody has asked you this question is a general view. Okay, if somebody has asked me a question like what are your holiday plans, or what is your favorite holiday destination, or if you're going for a holiday, during summers, or are you going for a vacation during summers, etc. Right? So the first thing I would like to say is, the first thing I'll just talk about is in general. Okay, well, the kids are having their holidays and they want a break. They're insisting on going on a vacation or just going out somewhere for a day or two, so that they can also do something exciting apart from their daily routine. Okay, so this is how I'm going to start about like the planning stage basically. Okay, so you can directly also say that yes, I'm planning for a vacation, or you can also say that I think we are having holidays and I'm just thinking about going for a vacation, but I'm not very sure right now, but I think breaks are much needed in our lives, so I'm looking forward to plan something. Okay, so we have to give a background about things, right? If somebody has asked you your favorite holiday destination also, you can just come up with a background, like we like holidaying, we like going out on vacations during summers or winters, or during Diwali or any other festival when we get a break from our work. Okay, so this is how you can talk about. So we have been to a lot of places, and every single time when there's a plan, we start thinking about which place we need to visit now. So we all start brainstorming, and then finally we come up with a decision to go to a place which we all agreed. Okay, so this is how you can talk about the background. And then the next stage is, then we have to come to the point, right? Like, what is your favorite holiday destination, or where are you planning to go, basically? Okay, I love beaches and mountains. I adore natural beauty. So I always prefer going on a beach or a mountain or a hill station. Okay, so my favorite holiday destination is either a beach or a hill station. Okay, these places I really love to visit. So these are my favorite holiday destinations. And apart from this, I would also like to visit and explore nearby places also. We have a lot of places in Maharashtra where you can go to explore nature. Okay, so this is how I spoke about my favorite holiday destination. Now here you can talk about any particular holiday destination also. Like Mussoorie is my favorite holiday destination, or Kerala is my favorite holiday destination, or anything else, whatever you want to talk about. Okay, so you can just take up you can just give examples of one or two places also while speaking about it. Okay, so this is how you can talk about your favorite holiday destination when the person has asked you. Okay, and then probably the last stage, you can just talk about why do you love that place, right? If I said that I love mountains or beaches or natural surroundings or nature, I will just support it with a reasoning or a logic, just that. Okay, so the last stage will be you have to support it with a reasoning or a logic. Like if you talk about, like, I love going to Mussoorie, or that was my favorite holiday destination till date. Now I'll talk about why it was so. Okay, so Mussoorie is very good in winters. There's snowfall. The Mall Road is the best place to visit. Lots of food, clothes, jewelry, accessories, all the stalls are available there, and you can just roam around and eat something, shop something, and the beauty is mesmerizing. You can sit and look at the hills, the sunrise, sunset, everything. So it is really very peaceful and breathtaking. So this is how I spoke about Mussoorie. But if I'm talking in general about I love beaches and mountains, so I'll just say that, just because these places are very calm and quiet, and it's easier to enjoy the beauty of nature there. So I always prefer going to such places where I can just sit in my window or a balcony and just watch the mountains and the landscapes outside, or sit on the beach and enjoy the beauty of the sunset or sunrise with some food, just to relax my mind and myself. Okay, so you have to give a reasoning or a logic so that the other person also understands why you're going to that place, and why the other person should also consider going to that place, right? Because the person has asked you what is your favorite holiday destination, or if you suggest some places to visit, or what are your holiday plans, so they will also start thinking about it. Okay, so that is the idea behind talking about it in this way, so that if the other person wants to collect some information from you, he or she gets the proper information, right? So as where to go or what to do there. Okay, so guys, start thinking in frameworks, start talking about any topic in this way, and if you practice it for 30 days, you'll see a lot of difference in your speech, in your clarity, in your fluency and confidence as well. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.